Yo, today is Sunday 20th July, time is 12:44, and let's get into this backtesting video where I do a week's worth of past data every day. I missed yesterday because I had work. I have work now as well at 3, so let's quickly get this done. We're sitting at $4,109.95. $4,109.95 for total. Win rate is 62, which is good. It's past 50%, so I'm winning more than half my trades. Risk reward is positive, it's 1.51, and these are the trades so far that I've taken. All of these. Last week, every week that I've traded so far with this backtesting session, I've ended in profit. Let's get into it. We're still in the same one, we haven't changed it. The July 3rd, basically July 2023. We're I think on the 4th week of the July. So far this July month has been great for my strategy. And it's just been a good trading session. Let's check if the sessions are still correct. 7 o'clock and 10 o'clock. Nice. Let's wait. This is Friday. Let's go to Monday now. Monday 2:30. There we go. And 5 o'clock is when I stop trading. Overall, I feel like I'm getting more confident with the strategy, and even when I'm live trading during the actual live markets, like right now, it's going well. Not to jinx it or anything, but so far what I've been trading and staying disciplined to my strategy, it's just proven to work, and all I need to do is just stick to that strategy. And so bullish, we're inside the daily fair value gap. 4 hour we did break structure to the downside there and here. We still could be bearish. Do we tap into anything here? Not really, but we are still in that daily fair value gap, so the 4 hour break of structure might just be a daily retrace. 1 hour. Let's see. Oh my days, it's like 6 hours worth of accumulation right there. It's just going sideways. Meaning we're probably going to get the move during New York session, which I love to see. Alright. That's a low. That's another low. And that's a low. We are inside this 1 hour fair value gap as well. I'm not going to really mark out lows here. It's not really ideal with how price action just looks. It's just a straight bullish move with like 2 down candles, or bearish candles if you want to call it that. Let's mark out the highs. That's a high, and that's a high. I could mark out these extreme highs up here, but I probably would have been trading all the way until up here if I was going for buys. We did get up into this for 1 hour fair value gap. Let's see what price action done during London and Asia session. London moved up pre-market, it's just moving sideways. Did we take the high? Yeah, we took the high of London by just a pip. Asia low and Asia high got taken. London lows yet to still be taken. The daily low is still all the way down here as well. Previous daily low. Previous daily high is that New York high. So I'm not opposed to looking for buys. Ideally, I would want price to come sweep this or even this. But if price sweeps this highs, I wouldn't mind looking for sells. Let's go. Bingo. Price set the high. 1 second. I mean, that's just 15-minute high, but on the hourly, that doesn't really count as a high. The next swing high in the hourly is this one. So if price does want to move to that, it would. Unless we're going to create a retrace to start selling down. Price took out the high and took out the low straight away, but didn't give me an entry on the 5-minute. Price is going to come take out this London low. That London low already got taken. Previous daily low is going to get taken 100%. It's just too close not to. There we go. So now, buys are very strong. It's just wicking a lot. Okay, it's left behind this. Inverse this fair value gap, which we'll use. That's on the 5-minute. We jump on the 1-minute now. What do we see on the 1-minute? Do we start getting a retracement? Okay, there's our retracement. Let's get out equilibrium. That's the low. That's the high. I'd want price to come back into this area. I mean, is this considered the low? Well, that's a low, that's a high. That's a low right there. So we use this as a low. Price should come back into here. We got this 1-minute fair value gap over here. And we got this lower 1-minute, and we got this 1-minute order block as well, sitting inside, overlapping that 1-minute fair value gap. Turn that black for order block. 1 minute. Alright, let's get price to come back down. So right now we've got 3 different that's been considered the high. I'll leave it there, to be honest. Slowly make its way back down. I've tapped into equilibrium. Yeah, tapped into equilibrium. That was a tap into equilibrium and then a push out. We leave behind a 1-minute fair value gap. We did. There's the 1-minute fair value gap. And 1-minute order block. Change this color as a fair value gap. On the 5-minute, we did get a tap back into this fair value gap, but not the inverse fair value gap. So we can move this to that, change that to blue. We got to tap into the 5-minute fair value gap. We're inside equilibrium, and it's just on the 1-minute, it's left behind what? An order block and fair value gap. Let's mark our equilibrium on this. Price should want to come tap into this order block. And then I'll look for my entry. There we go, it's tapped into the order block and equilibrium. So if we get a bullish close now, I'll be happy to enter. Oh, looks like price tapped into the 1-minute fair value gap down here. And on the 5-minute, I believe it tapped in, yes, it tapped into the inverse. So what we can do now is go back and claim it as a 5-minute inverse. jump on the 1 minute. We get rid of this, and this. Go tap into the 1 minute fair value gap and 5 minute inverse. Did we get a tap into equilibrium? On the 5 minute, we'll consider that the low and that the high. Did we get a tap into equilibrium? Yes. 5 minute, we got tapped into equilibrium. Looks like we're going to inverse this fair value gap on the 1 minute. We'll go away for now. Price came back into it. I'll wait for a fair value gap to form, just like that. Fair value gap formed here. Wait for a retrace. I might be waiting for too many confluences and price might just leave. Yeah, I should have entered off this bullish close right here. Should have entered off that. Stops down there. Targeting on 1, 2, 3. I feel like I'm waiting for too much of a confluence. I mean, we got this fair value gap tapping. Alright here. Let's jump on the 5 minute, let's see what price is doing on the 5 minute. So get rid of that. Got tap in, we got a 5 minute fair value gap formed right here. We could just be retracing back into this 5 minute fair value gap on order block. So we can get rid of this. Tapped into both. Fair value gap, another 5 minute fair value gap right here. Stretch all of these, just like that. So we're inside a 5 minute fair value gap and a 1 minute fair value gap. So right now, I'm happy to enter. Let's see equilibrium for this range. We're inside equilibrium as well. Perfect. I'm not going to hesitate off this trade no more. Give me a nice bullish reaction and we will enter. Oh, we entered off. Could be entering off this. Get rid of that. Price just seems to be dumping even more. Why? I don't know. Did you tap back into this order block? Yes, I guess so. I just got rid of it. Change that to black. 1 minute order block. Get rid of this. 5 minute. Disrespected that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Five minute. Deep in equilibrium right now. Price could just be coming to sweep out of this before pushing higher. So, came into equilibrium and that 1 minute fair value gap. You can get rid of this one and then pull out this one right here. Because we tapped into that lower 1 minute fair value gap. There we go, 1 minute. So we got that 5 minute inverse, 1 minute fair value gap, 1 minute order block, and within equilibrium. And we just swept this lows. I want to see something that could enter off of. There we go. There's a 1 minute fair value gap. I mean, it's basically the end of my session, but if I get one bullish close, there we go, I'm entering. Long position of that. My stops, I'll be safe and put it there, targeting 1 to 3. One to 3, just like that. We did break structure to the upside, and yeah, I'm happy with this trade. Place order, 1% market, save. Let's mark out 50% of the range. Okay, let's go. There we go, close 50. Save, break even. And if we hit break even, I'm good. Oh my days, just missed it by a pip. Oh my days, we missed it by a pip. This is a beautiful trade. Clean trade. And we're probably going to hit TP. Oh no. Oh my days. We came so close. But it is what it is at the end of the day. Honestly, should have closed when we got this, but this candle was crazy. I probably, if it was live markets, I probably would have closed around here, or I would have just left it running. But from that trade, we made $932, which is great. That's Monday done, and all I had to do was be patient. Just like that, we were patient. But this right here, I know spreads would probably took me out, and I still would have ended on the same amount. So good trading day. Maybe if I put my stops tighter at this low right here, my 1 to 3 would have been hit. Yeah, it would have been hit. If I was a bit tighter on my stops on the previous low, maybe, yeah, I would have hit my take profit, which I'm happy with. I'm happy with the results, nevertheless. Ended at 5:20, which isn't much. It's like 20 minutes after my trading time's over. Alright, Tuesday. Let's mark out Tuesday 2:30. No, oh, I didn't mark it. Tuesday 2:30. Scoop this all the way until then. Just making sure it's still 2:30, because usually I don't know why they'll start moving away. Alright, 2:30 and 5 o'clock. Just like that. I was right with my bias. When did I get stopped out? This was Monday, 5:20. So I got stopped out here, and then price just kept pushing higher. Alright, daily. Looks like we're going to be bullish. I mean, we're still bullish when we broke structure on the 1 hour. Let's have respect in this fair value gap. We slow down momentum, create a nice wick. And at least, we're probably at least going to get a trade until this high. We're at least going to get a trade until that high. Why? Because we got this bearish fair value gap, so price, majority of the time, we'll come back, tap into that. Or, I mean, we are inside this, making it more of a bullish day for me. Alright, broke structure to the upside on the 4 hour, holding down that bullish momentum, bullish bias. 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour broke structure as well. This is just making it more and more bullish for me. got these hourly highs, hourly high, not hourly high. This I wouldn't mind hold if price shows me like strong bullish momentum. I'll be happy to hold it until that high, even though I'm trading on 1 to 3 leave runners. And why? Because I'm just that not positive, but just that strong with my bullish bias. Higher time frames are literally showing bullish momentum. I'll start with this hourly fair value gap. Drop to the 5 minute. Let's see what the sessions did. Oh my days, London pushed. Asia accumulated, manipulated. Could this be a distribution or continuation? Hopefully, I would wait for Asia low to be taken, and then we look for a buy. But price could come back into here and then push up. Overall, the fact that we got such a big move during London is making me a bit worried. But at the same time, we had this, but look how New York session moved. So, ideally, I want price to come back into here. In 1 hour, I want this liquidity to be taken. Alright, let's get it. Could be looking for ourselves, but I'm strongly bullish. Today might just be a no trading day. Look how price is. Tell me price don't want to keep that bullish momentum. And I had a feeling price was very bullish, but even if I was looking for a buy, we didn't get tapped into this 5 minute fair value gap. We didn't get tapped into this 5 minute fair value gap. Price just kept pushing higher. We never got an entry, and this was one of those days where you just gotta let price continue, even though you knew the bias. Oh, we got this 5 minute inverse after a liquidity sweep. 5 minute. Let's make that red so you guys know it's inverse. Currently inside there. Let's get this out. This will be the equilibrium range. It's a bit high. Don't know how I feel about that. Get rid of that. Hourly was priced on. Prices just kept pushing higher, showing bullish momentum. Could be a little. The 5 minute could just be showing a higher time frame retracement. Ideally, I would have wanted price to start coming down so I could look for the buys, and it's just trading within my bias. Let's drop to the 1 minute and see what price does. Oh my days, I don't see nothing going on here. I mean, yes, we got this order block over here on the 1 minute. I'm not going to force this trade. I don't like it. Doesn't look right. Doesn't look too good. I'll tap into both. Left behind this fair value gap. Didn't break. I mean, can't consider that break of structure. Again, I'm not really liking it. If I do enter, I'm going to enter on half rest. That's a break of structure on the 1 minute. And now we're left behind this 1 minute fair value gap. Left behind that 1 minute fair value gap. Got respect to the order block with a nice reaction out of it. We'll see what the next candle does. Got respect and a nice bearish close. I will enter. My stops will be up there, targeting 1 to 3. I'm only going to risk 500 on this trade. Not too, I'm not too optimistic about this trade. What's the 5 minute showing? 5 minutes showing strong bearish momentum back into here. I mean, yes, I could probably get, you know what, I'll risk my 1%. Let's do it. Risk 1%. Yeah, 1% save. If I turn out to be wrong, I'm just losing one day's profit. Oh. Let's see if price tap back into equilibrium. Yes, we got a clean tap back into equilibrium. And a rejection out there. Broke structure to the downside there and here. Let's get into the feeling. That is, and it's gonna go do exactly what I thought it would. Would I go stopped out there? No, I wouldn't. This is a shame. Oh my days, don't tell me it's gonna go hit full take profit. There's no way. All I had to do was wait a couple more seconds. For what? Let me show you what I would have waited for. For this right here. We've got this beautiful fair value gap formed. Bearish close out of there. Short there. Stop there. Target the 1 to 3. And I would have made my 50%. Price clearly hit at least more than 50%, and we'll probably get stopped out, but I still made profit that day. Oh, that's a shame, man. Big shame. Anyway, happens. I shouldn't have traded today. Today was a terrible market. We're back to. We basically lost a couple of dollars Monday and Tuesday combined. It's not a big loss. Basically, I break even for the week. We won one, we lost one. And I shouldn't have traded today. I was trading against my bias. And that's what. And it essentially led me to lose. We didn't get a tap into this fair value gap, which is a bit strange. It came that low just not to tap in. Yeah, I was clearly bullish for the day. I was trading against my bias, and that's what I get for trading against my bias. Alright, next day we go to Wednesday. Oh, I don't see it. Let's get this a bit more forward. Oh, look how bullish price was during New York session. Price just kept pushing. I'm showing New York session. Price came and just kept pushing. Did it tap into? I mean, we'll figure it out in a bit. Price did tap into that daily, I think, fair value gap that I marked out. Wednesday. 230. Alright. 230 and 5. Daily, let's go. Yep, I believe we did tap into it. Yep, how did I know? I basically anticipated the whole daily move, but I didn't profit off it. because I traded against my bias. Are we considering that breakout structure? Not really. Just respecting this fair value gap and got a reaction out of it for now. I mean, that is considered a breakout structure on the daily, I believe. Don't know why I didn't spot that earlier. Got a breakout structure on the daily with this candle. Respect to this fair value gap. Ideally, I would have wanted it to come deeper in, but bearish momentum is just showing. It's just showing a lot of bearish momentum. Just this is what I would have wanted to see. This, imagine this move on the daily. The daily, you saw it came, just tapped in and it showed bearish momentum straight away. What I want to see is it to come back up and go deeper in, just like what this done. Price did respect. Oh no, it's not a fair value gap. This guy's going to break structure to the downside. Hourly. What the hell is this? I don't know what I'm looking at right now. Not that low. That low. That low. That low. And that low. Okay, highs. I got that high. Yeah, that's enough. During this trading session, I wouldn't expect the price to go all the way until there. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'll expect to see 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just anticipating one hour candle, but within this 4 hour window. I just have to get one of those candles right, ideally. Alright, 15 minute. See what the market done during their sessions. Asia low got taken, Asia high got taken, London low got taken, London high is still in play. This is one of those days where you just gotta wait for the liquidity sweep and a strong reversal form. I didn't sweep that high, swept this low though, swept that low, go to that. And if we leave this for a value gap, no, we didn't leave it. I don't know what price is doing. This is just like, I think this Friday that just passed in real time in live markets. This is exactly what price was doing. Price was just wicking, not leaving anything. And we've got this 5 minute inverse. And that's created over here. Got this 5 minute inverse. Okay, and maybe we got this 5 minute fair value gap. Nope, we don't. 5 minute inverse. Let's see what price wants to do here. Equilibrium, 5 minute, low, high. That's the low and the high for equilibrium. 1 minute. Got disrespect for this 1 minute fair value gap. I mean, it is strong, but it's not strong enough for me. Got another respect to this fair value gap. Again, it's not coming deep enough. I wanted to come take out these lows at least. I don't know what price is doing. This is terrible price action. Actually, she's just moving sideways. It's It's making its way back down to equilibrium. There we go. Swept out these lows. That low right there. Swept it. Tapped into equilibrium. If we get a nice reaction out there. Guess we're going lower. Looks like we're wrong with our bias. And happy I didn't trade it. Let's get rid of that. Get rid of that. Honestly, what is this price action? Didn't even sweep anything up there. Just came. It's looking like it's gonna sweep even lower, just like that. And I'm just gonna keep moving lower. Come on, you came so close to this low. Don't wanna take it. Don't lie. It's not leave behind no fair value gap. Okay, left behind this 5 minute fair value gap within a 5 minute inverse right here. Inverse that fair value gap. Change this to blue for fair value gap. Mark that 5 minute. Let's jump on the 1 minute. Wait a second, let's mark up 5. Hasn't started reversing yet. We've got this 1 minute area over here. 1 minute fair value gap down here, which price could come into. Price is just pushing higher. So the move down, it didn't sweep for me to get an entry. Look for, even consider it. And now, what is it doing? It's not even giving me an entry. What is wrong with price action? And that's me done for the day. So if it comes down and then comes to my POI and then pushes away from it, mark that as that's the lowest one. Don't piss me off. There's no way. Absolutely no way. That wouldn't be a break of structure. I would wait for an actual break of structure, which is this, I believe. That's a break of structure. Long from here, stops below here, target 1 to 3. Oh, thank you. It wasn't in my trading session, so guess what? I didn't take that out. Let's see what price is still doing. Does it still end up moving higher or just keep doing nonsense? Okay, it does end up pushing a bit higher, but it's still doing nonsense. No, this is just straight nonsense now. Enter off this. Inverse. Pretend that's red. Straight nonsense, yeah. I'm never going to bother seeing what price is doing. Okay, Wednesday is done. Let's go to Thursday. Thursday, 2:30. Hasn't appeared yet. You can't make this up, man. So this is New York session. It comes down, comes there. Straight nonsense. Up, down. That was New York session. If you don't believe me, look at New York session. Oh, the hell? Oh, this was New York session. It went up, down, up. It even sweep out the highs. Came swept out lows. Didn't take out all the lows. And what did it do? It just went do. And then it shot up straight after New York session. Alright. Let's mark out Thursday, 2:30. There we go. And even when it made this big move up, what did it do straight after? Big move down. Price is just moving weird. Okay, let's mark out 5 o'clock. There, daily. Bullish. It's giving me strong bullish momentum. Strong bullish. But at the same time, what I wanted to see was price to come higher. And it low-key did off this. Oh, they just made equal highs. Now I feel like the second one came and took it. I want it to come. It's bullish, it's bullish. I'm seeing bullish broke structure on the 4 hour. Clean breaker structure on the 4 hour. Right there. Beautiful breaker structure. Hourly. Strong bullish momentum. If it's not buys, I don't want it. I mean, I could catch the little reversal, but I'm going to stick to what I know and what works. Mark that. Mark out all these highs. Alright, in terms of lows, what do we have? This is an hourly high that I'll probably get taken. I'll mark it because why not? Got this low. Got that low coming into this hourly fair value gap. And we got this massive fair value gap down here. I'll mark this out, knowing the last 2 red lines are for fair value gaps. Okay, what does sessions do? London again, big move to the upside. Both highs got taken, but both the lows haven't been taken yet. It's London low, Asia low. Okay. Let's see what price wants to do right now. Sweep. Strong bullish move. Didn't sweep any lows. We still got these lows down here. But as I mentioned, I'm strongly bullish. See if price comes back into this 5-minute fair value gap. It swept out those highs. Oh my days. I might not get an entry today. Let's get back into this fair value gap. Jump on the 1 minute. What do we see happening on the 1 minute? We're respecting this 5-minute fair value gap at the moment. Price did break structure to the downside, respecting that fair value gap. Price could just be showing bet. It's a 5-minute retracement on the 1 minute broke structure to the downside. Currently breaking structure to the upside over here. See what price wants to do from here. Strong bullish close, inversing this fair value gap. What would I want to see on the 1 minute? This right here. I'll tap back into this inverse fair value gap. I mean, low-key just did get it. Thank God I didn't enter. 5 minute. We went into the lower 5-minute fair value gap. Jump on the 1 minute. What do we see here? Is this considered an order block? No. Is this considered an order block? Yes. So move down, that caused liquidity sweep, and the move back up. What is it? It's considered an order block. Is that a 5-minute order block? Pretty much. Looks clean on the 1 minute. 1 minute was equilibrium. That's the low, that's the high. Currently inside equilibrium. Okay, deep inside equilibrium within this 5-minute fair value gap. If we get a reversal here, I'm happy. Tapped into that order block. Hopefully we get a break of structure to the upside right now. We just swept it, didn't break structure to the upside. 1 minute, it's just showing bearish momentum. But at this point, if it's come this low, what's to stop it from coming lower? I mean, 5 minute we didn't leave anything that could have entered off, unless you're considering this inverse right here for a sell-off. If you're considering that as a sell-off area, you get nothing, no entry opportunity there. And on the 1 minute we did get this bearish fair value gap and then a break structure. Not really the best risk to reward, because I would have waited for this break of structure to happen. Or would my stop loss have to be at least at this high? Targeting on 1 to 3. I mean, before this happened, this wouldn't have been the cleanest looking trade. I mean, now looking at it, yes it is, but it's not really the cleanest looking one. I want to come take out this low. I mean, it looks like I missed the move of the day. Could have come taken out low. That's one. And that's two. There we go. Oh, but it's just the 1 minute I was looking at the whole time. Nothing left in the 5 minute. Let's look at the wrong time frame. Okay. Yes, you left behind us for value gap. What do we see? But majority of the times I see this, price most likely wouldn't come back into this fair value gap. 1 minute, it's not really, there's nothing really special going on here. Yeah, I had a feeling price wouldn't come back, tap into here. I missed the move of the day. The move of the day was that sell-off. Oh, it did come back. Price did make its way back. And are we inside equilibrium? Is the question. Yes, we are. We're nicely in equilibrium. Now we just go wait for 1 minute reversal to form. Strong bullish close out down the 1 minute was going to be enough for me. 5 minute. Nothing good. Let me actually swap this. Hourly. We're still respecting this hourly fair value gap. 15 minute. Nothing. 5 minute. Nothing. We're going to get tapped back into here? Probably not. But it'll work out nevertheless. Nice wicket, bullish close. That would be my entry. So risky trade. But because I was bullish the whole time, and the way price action looked, price came, swept out the original low that I made, pushed back up, breaking structure. Did break structure on the 5 minute? Not really. But this is a clean trade nevertheless. 1 minute, are we within equilibrium? Yep, we tapped into equilibrium. Also had this 1 minute fair valuing up area here. Tapped into the 1 minute order block as well as that. That's the 1 minute order block tapping. And that was a nice reaction out there. This could be my first losing week, but that's okay. Still basically 4k up. Let's get on and see if I get stopped out. Let's go stopped out straight away. And if price goes all the way to take profit now, I'm gonna lose my mind. Let's see if I was patient. Let's see what would happen if I was patient. 5 minute, did leave anything on the 5 minute. Get rid of that. 5 minute, nothing got left. 1 minute, nothing got left. This week has just been a terrible week. I'm giving back all my profits. So we got Friday left to see if anything can come out Friday. Have I lost every day? No, I won Monday and then lost Tuesday and Wednesday. No. What day are we on? On Thursday. This was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Did I lose Monday? Let's see. This was the win. That was the loss. Let's see when they were. Okay, that was Monday. And this was Friday. So I'm good with that. What day didn't I trade? Traded Monday, Tuesday, I didn't trade Wednesday, and then I lost Thursday. I don't think Thursday's shown up yet. This is Tuesday. Monday, I missed full take profit by a bit because I never tied my stop loss. Tuesday, stop loss. Yeah, I don't know why it's not showing. Let's go do that. Let's get to Friday. $2.30, just like that. Oh, 5 o'clock. Oh my days. I feel like the reason I lost on that Thursday, the last trade just now, because I was too fixated on that bullish bias, and I feel like the loss before that, I was going against my bias. Oh my days, my back is killing me. Daily. Daily went all the way up there and closed very bearish, meaning we did still break structure to the downside on the daily. 4 hour. We swept these highs, tapping into this fair value gap with a nice reaction out of it. We're currently going inside another fair value gap on the 4 hour, 1 hour. We are inside this 1 hour fair value gap at the moment. Let's mark out the highs. That's the highs. Let's mark out the lows now. Honestly, this doesn't look like a clean trading day. I don't know what my bias is. 1 hour, it looks like it's retracing back into this fair value gap to push lower. I mean, my bias is bearish at the end of the day. There we go. 15 minute. See how slowly it's going back up, but this was just a push to the downside. Overall, I am bearish. I'm strongly bearish. 1 hour, I don't really have an hourly high to target except from, say that. That could be my hourly high. 5 minute. See what the sessions did. The sessions were moving from what I can see. Asia session started off slow and then it just pumped and dumped. Maybe news, I don't know. But during London session, it just done the continuation, and then now it just moved a bit higher. I don't mind a little sell, to be honest. Okay, 1 hour. That's a whole new. Nope, can't consider that on the hourly as a sweep. Honestly, the only next swing high is the one all the way above here. I might just not trade today. Price is actually making its way up there. Broke structure on the 5 minute. So break a structure on the 5 minute. Hopefully it leaves behind a fair value gap for the 5 minute. And no, just went straight back up. Probably a 50-minute retrace. Let's. What the hell is price doing? Don't tell me you're going straight back up. Yeah, this is not a trading day. What the hell is price doing? Okay, finally swept to my swing high. Can we get a retrace now? Nope. You want to go higher? You want to go for that high? Go right ahead. Oh my days. Oh, that's me done for this trading session. I swear, price taps into here and then dumps just on close of my session. Okay, thank you. it's still doing this nonsense. Like, what the hell is this? I mean, price was clearly continuing its bullish move. I wouldn't have gone entry even if I was looking for a bullish. 1 minute. Absolutely nothing. We didn't get a tap back into here. This is my first losing week, I guess. Bound to happen. I'm still nice with my win rate, and my risk to reward still in the positive. Okay, let's quickly get through this. Currently sitting at $2,951.85. It's basically 3,000. How much was I when I got here? I think that was 4K, around 4K. Yes, I lost around 2K, or is it 1K? I took 3 trades. These are the 3 trades. This was at 5:20, 3 p.m., 4:48. Basically, lost 2 and won 1. So I basically just lost 1 trade for the week. My weekly gain or loss, I think, was 500. I lost 500. Wait a second, let me calculate. I lost 1,039.84. 84 plus 1,050.53. I lost $2,090.37 in total, and then you minus that to the 932, that 1.29. So overall, I lost 1.158 this trading session. So basically 1.1% I lost during this session. It was bound to happen. I went 3 weeks profit, and I'm honestly okay. I lost 3 out of the 4 weeks I traded. That is actually beautiful. Usually I'll be winning 1 out of the 4, but now I'm losing 1 out of the 4, which I'm happy with. I mean, yes, this profit did go down, but ideally when I'm trading with prop firms, I would be withdrawing weekly. So whatever profit I made that week, I would be withdrawing it. I mean, in total the month, this is how much it would be on, this is how much the account would be on. Or it'll be in drawdown right now, because I would have taken my profit from last week out, and then I would have started this week. I would have ended on drawdown for 1.1%, which is literally just 1 trade and I'm out of there. So I'm perfectly fine with that. Other than that, I feel like I'm done. I need to edit this and get ready for work. Any questions, leave it for me in the comments. Thanks for watching. Not happy, but it was bound to happen. A losing trade, and I'm okay with that. A losing week. One of the trades, this one, traded against my bias. This, I was too fixated on the bias, so I'm okay. Unfortunately, this did miss my TP by just a bit for a full TP, but I made my 50%, 1.5R, and yeah. Other than that, thanks for watching, and have a good day. Peace.